Pro eCommerce Storefront Solutions by MobiFirst. Quickly move your offline storefronts online and maximize sales potential. Everything you need is at your fingertips. Mobile-first technology. Did you know Google uses the mobile version of your website for indexing and ranking? They previously used the desktop version. This is why it's so important that the websites you're publishing, especially mobile storefronts, are built with mobile first in mind. Complete e-commerce ordering system. Enable the mobile food ordering widget and build an e-commerce storefront for virtually any business in just hours. No product limits, no bandwidth limits, email order notifications, and more. Instantly integrates with PayPal and Stripe now with Apple Pay for direct. Standard SSL hosting for MobiFirst URLs. When you publish your storefront on MobiFirst, SSL hosting is standard. This means you get the security of having SSL without purchasing or installing an SSL when using the default MobiFirst URL. Multiple languages. Build storefronts in entirely different languages. Currently in English, Spanish, Italian, French, German, and Russian with more. Global image library. Search for and upload royalty-free images in your storefronts with just a couple of clicks. Virtually unlimited image types across unlimited niches populated from Pixabay, Unsplash, and more. Style section. Completely customize the style of your website from backgrounds, headers, footers, fonts, to custom CSS, and more. Or, if you want a completely different look, you can even switch between entire website themes without losing work already done. Theme selection. MobiFirst comes equipped with premium themes built and optimized by Silvio, the mastermind developer. Ranging across dozens of different niches, each theme is cutomizable to your liking. Abundant widget selection. MobiFirst uses the modular concept of widgets, which allows you to customize each widget to fit your desired design. Your options for site design and functionality are virtually endless. Think of a new element that can help your specific business or client. Let us know. We are constantly improving the platform for you. The ability to determine what is viewed on each device. You decide exactly what content you want to show on mobile, tablet, and desktop. MobiFirst automatically detects the device and shows the desired content. Clone widgets. You can easily duplicate content and designs. Let's say you create a section on a website that you know you'll want to use again for future clients. Simply save and clone the widget so it's always available with one click. Clone sites. You can even clone entire websites and make them new themes to choose from when you start future projects. This is extremely helpful when you're happy with a site and want to create another one fast. Regular platform updates. We are constantly updating the MobiFirst platform to make designing and building websites fun and easy for you. Have ideas on how MobiFirst can work better? Let us know. It could be part of the updates. SEO. Each page is equipped with full SEO capabilities. Hide pages from search engines if you want. Add titles and descriptions for meta SEO and Open Graph for social media.